Now that Enpass is activated and you've created your first vault, it's time to import passwords and other credentials from any previous password manager you've been using. This is fairly easy, but if you find yourself needing help, visit support.empass.io and search for import. So the first step is obviously exporting data from your old app. You can find instructions for exporting from any password manager by Googling export from and then the name of the app. But for most desktop password managers, you just go to the File menu, select Export, and follow the steps provided there. If you've been using Google Chrome to manage your passwords, go to Passwords and Autofill and Google Password Manager. Click on Settings, and here you will find Export Passwords. Click Download File, save to your desktop, and click Save. Step 2 is importing those credentials to Enpass. Find the File menu, select Import, select the app you're importing from, and under Select File, click the File folder icon, select the file you've exported from your old app, click Open, and continue. Enpass tells you how many items have been found. Click Continue. The import is complete. Click Done. And all your credentials are now safe in Enpass. Once this import is finished, it's important to find and delete the file you imported because those exported files are usually unencrypted. And then empty your trash. And there is one more important final step, which is to go into your browser and delete any saved data the browser may be auto-filling, because that is now going to be the job of your Enpass app. The best way to do this is to search in your browser settings for the word delete, and then going to the delete browsing data. In Chrome, you tap on the Advanced tab. You want to change the time range to all time, and then you want to uncheck data that you don't want to delete, but make sure that you do check passwords and other sign-in data and autofill form data. Then click Delete Data, and you're done. If you're using Edge, when you search delete in the settings, you'll see Clear Browser Data Now. Click on Choose What to Clear, and again, change it to all time. Then uncheck the things you don't want to delete, but do check passwords and autofill form data, and click Clear Now. This will ensure that Enpass is in charge of filling in forms and data from now on in your browsers. Again, if you need any help with this process, visit support.empass.io and search for import.